Hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video, SIM card not working on iPhone, how to fix this problem. Okay, I show you best of the best methods how to fix problem SIM card not working on iPhone. Okay, I show you repeat after me, guys. This is very important here. Please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not your like, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So first we need to clear the cache your iPhone, because or otherwise the method will not work. It's very important here. Okay, how to your questions, how to clear the cache. Okay, I show you fastest and effective method. You look button turn off and button volume down, and press and hold maybe 3 or 7 seconds, and you look dark or black screen, and hold button and you look Apple logo, or not you not look Apple logo. Okay, press button turn on and hold this button, and we waiting your iPhone loading. Yeah, now enter passcode to your iPhone and check this. Okay, now we go next step. Guys. So we go settings, and we go scroll up or scroll down and click search and typing the text reset, general reset, click reset network settings, and enter your passcode your iPhone, and your iPhone reset network settings completed. Here I click cancel, and now check this network settings, yes, not okay. Now reset all settings, enter your passcode. Okay, I click cancel and click back. Now check this. Now scroll down or scroll up, and you look mobile data, turn off, click turn off. Now turn on and check this. Okay, now I show you best of the best method. So now we remove the cover. Yeah, remove the cover. I click, yeah, so, and your SIM card installed, yeah, and open and add, and okay, and searching, and yeah, searching completed. Guys, check this. Now I show you best of the best method how to fix your problem. Okay, we go settings, and scroll down, and we go general and transfer of reset iPhone, and erase all settings, and continue passcode for this iPhone, enter the passcode your iPhone, yeah, and your iPhone, delete information, delete cache, delete RAM information, deletes video, contacts, it's okay. So don't worry, you not now, and we go your iCloud and iCloud, click iCloud and iCloud backup now, and now your information saving and with good, yeah, maybe 3-4 minutes, yeah, completed. So we go iCloud, we go home, and we go general, and we go scroll down and transfer of reset iPhone, and erase all settings, continue, and passcode for this iPhone, and your Apple iCloud, Apple ID, yeah, and your iPhone turn off and delete this information with your iPhone, and check if this method works for you. SIM card not working, yes, good working, comments please. Guys, if you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem, please comment how to write the model number of your iPhone and your iPhone version iOS, and I show you new and best methods how to fix your problem. SIM card not working, your iPhone, your model number of your iPhone and version iOS your iPhone. It's cool and easier and fastest, yeah. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. Please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not. Your like, yeah. Leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.